Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I share how to make this special vegetable soup. Guys, you're going to love this method. You're going to love this style. It's easy to come up with and it's what you want to watch till the end. Let me share with you my ingredients. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this delicious vegetable soup. So in a pot, transfer the beef, make sure it's washed, then the stock fish, then you add onion, seasoning cube, salt, then you combine. So don't add water yet, cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. So after 5 to 8 minutes you're going to add kpomo, then you add little water, then you give it a good mix, then you cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so while that is cooking, we are cutting our vegetables. So here is our water leaf. So make sure it's nicely washed and make sure you shred it like so. So next is ugu leaves. So these are the vegetables we are going to be using to make this vegetable soup. We are using water leaves and we are using ugu leaves. And as you guys can see, I'm cutting the ugu leaves. Make sure that it's nicely washed to get rid of dirt and sand. Okay, so back to the protein. So you're going to add smoked fish, then you add crayfish. So give it a good mix, then remove from heat. So in a dry pan placed on a stove, add the water leaf, then you add some chopped onion, add crayfish, add palm oil, then you give it a good mix and you cover and leave to cook until the slime in the water leaf is gotten rid of. And this is what we have. So next we're going to be adding the protein, the cooked protein. We are going to add ogiri. So this is a natural flavoring. Add pepper. Top it up with some palm oil. Then give it a good mix. Add seasoning cube. Then add salt if need be. Then give it a good mix. So cover and leave until it boils. So once it boils, you're going to be adding the ugu leaves, okay? So incorporate all the ugu leaves into the soup and give it a good mix and leave it for about 3 minutes to cook. So here our vegetable soup is ready. As you guys can see, it's looking yummy and tasted good. Okay, so you can serve with any swallow of choice. I'm enjoying mine with fufu. Guys, this soup was delicious, so make sure you try it out. This method was super. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and as well subscribe. For the ingredient, check the description box. See you. Bye.